The Evenflo Pivot LiteMax travel system offers remarkable versatility with 6 different configurations, allowing parents to easily switch between parent-facing and forward-facing modes. This travel system includes the highly rated LiteMax Infant Car Seat, which has been rigorously tested for rollover and side impact safety, providing parents peace of mind. The stroller's design includes cruiser tires and a large canopy with a peekaboo window, making it easy to navigate on various terrains while keeping your child comfortable and protected. Its convenient self-standing fold feature simplifies storage and transport, making it an excellent choice for busy parents on the go. The integrated belt lock-off system ensures that the car seat base is securely installed, enhancing the overall safety of the travel system. With additional features like an oversized storage basket, cup holder, and snack tray, parents will find the Evenflo Pivot LiteMax travel system both practical and user-friendly.